Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing 5 hairstyles you can do while stretching your relaxers or in between relaxers. Some people stretch their relaxers for like 3 months, 2 months. I do a month, but I'm trying to get into that wave of stretching it longer, and these are some styles that I usually do when I was stretching it between like for a month. And it's also doubled as a protective style, so that's also a plus. And also I just washed my hair. It's freshly washed and blow dried and straightened, and I used the Nexus Clean and Pure conditioner and shampoo, and I also used the Aveda Nutriplenis leave-in conditioner, my bread hair oil, and also my BioSilk silk therapy, and also of course some heat protectant, the Chi Iron Guard. And that's all I used because I didn't want to really weigh my hair down, so I'm trying to stretch my relaxer, so I don't want to weigh my actual hair down. And right now it feels so light, so nice, so nice, and it smells good of course. So the first hairstyle is gonna be my go-to hairstyle when I'm freshly relaxed or stretching out my relaxer. It is the half up half down with like the 2 pieces out. Okay, so the next style we're gonna do is a ponytail with clip-ins. And you might say, okay, this is not really a protective style, but if you are trying to stretch your relaxers and you're battling like a new growth and your relaxed hair like I am, you can do a ponytail with clip-ins for like a whole week. Or if you want to go out, like you have somewhere to go and your hair is just looking a whole mess and you don't want to do a wig, you don't want to do braids, well, you don't have even braids, you can just do a ponytail clip-ins. And I did this already when I went to the It's a Blur tour, Drake's concert. Oh my gosh, I did that, and I did it with 2 pieces out, and I did a whole high ponytail with curls, and I just made it like pinned up into like a little curly bun. But today I'm just gonna do a regular ponytail with the clip-ins, no curls, no nothing. So I'm just gonna make a little mini ponytail in the center of my head, although this is not how I did it when I did it for the concert, but this is also another way you can do a quick and easy ponytail. So I'm just gonna put this on this side and just get it out of the way. So you want to start with the smallest pieces. I have one weft with 4 clips, and then another with 3, 2 with 3 clips, 2 with 2 clips, and then I have 2 with 1 clip. First of all, let's just make this a little bit tighter, and I don't even think I need that many clippings for this. I'm gonna start with the 2 piece, and I'm gonna just turn it and do this one at the back, and you're gonna turn it upside down so this is facing up, and of course you have to start closer to the base of the ponytail. You're working outward. That's one in. I'm gonna go with the second 2 piece, and since I put the second one, the first one at the back, I'm gonna put the second one at the front, like so. Then I'm gonna get the 3 piece. I'm gonna put it at the front this time. I'm gonna get the 4 piece, which is the second 3 clip. I'm gonna put the center on this side because there's a lot of space there. Then put 1/2 here, other half in the back. 4 clip weft and put it in the back. Put this one on the front. Okay, so that's everything in. Next hairstyle is gonna be, I don't know how to describe this one, I'll show you. And also for the ponytail with the clippings, the mini ponytail is where you would want your ponytail to sit. So if you want like a really high ponytail, you'll have it sitting at the top. If you want it in the middle, you'll have the mini ponytail sitting in the middle. If you want it low, you have the mini ponytail sitting low. Just want to put that out there. So for this one, I'm just gonna have to show you guys because I can't really I don't know what to call it. Also, I want to add, you can also twist or plait or braid, whatever you want to call it, this section before you add it to this, and you can just continue. However, I don't feel like doing that right now. I just want to show you the most easiest way for you to do it. Okay, so this style is not as trendy or flashy as the ones before, but this one is very quick and easy. If you don't know what you want to do, when you just want something flat, this can be a nice hairstyle. It will help you to get past a week of not doing your hair, and that's the aim. And you can make it a little bit cuter if you had like the little gold clips, and you can put them over the elastic bands like so, and it will also be even cuter if I braid the ponytails into each other. You can add braiding hair to it, like some curls or anything. You can also add braiding hair to this ponytail slash bun in the back and make it like a braided ponytail. This is just like a foundational style. So the world is your oyster. This hairstyle is your oyster and you can do anything with it. But me, I would personally do this on a day when I'm trying to like stretch my hair and stretch my roots out so that I can like flat iron it and it's a little bit easier. Or if I just had a wash day and I don't want to blow dry it, this is also a good hairstyle for you to stretch your hair before you flat iron it. Okay, so the last style is one of my listen, when I don't know what to do with my hair, I am flustered, I'm over like extensions, wigs, braids, all that, and I just don't want to have to wake up and do my hair every morning. This is the quickest and easiest thing for me to do when I'm just feeling lazy and don't want to do anything at all. And it's so cute, and also when it's done, you'll have like a nice curl going on. So this is gonna be like 2 French braids, and you can leave like 2 pieces out at the front here also. That's if you want to do that maintenance every morning to like straighten it out or curl it or anything, but I like to just do everything all in one, and I like to put it in a small cute little bun, and chef's kiss, love it. Last hairstyle, and of course you can like do your baby hairs to make it a little bit cuter. Me, don't think I really need to do anything right now because I'm not trying to have my hair all drenched in edge control but you know, just for demonstration purposes, you can add more flair to it. You can also add some synthetic hair, like curly hair, to like, you can crochet it in the braid and like have it dropping down, and you can also crochet it in the bun as well. And also you can like have you do 2 little things right here, I call them tendrils right here, for a nice little cute style. But of course, like the one before, this is a foundational style. You can always elevate it, add stuff to elevate the style. But yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you do try these styles. If you do, comment down below and let me know how it worked out for you. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for everything that I use. I'll try to link it down below, all the links down below in my description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.